All right, we are closing in on 500 subscribers, so let's keep sharing, liking, and commenting on these videos so we can push this out so the algorithm will like it and push it out to more people. But I want to talk about Parada. Basically, you can start earning money instantly if and only if you become a mentor. Now, I know it's a lot of hype around teaching people how to start YouTube channels and stuff like that. But that's not what this really is. Basically, you can become a mentor in anything and monetize it, helping people. So you can become a mentor if you want to teach people how to do your YouTube channel. You can become a YouTuber. How you can become a mentor of teaching math skills or science skills or English skills. The possibilities of teaching anybody online is endless, and you can do multiple niches if you want to diversify your income. So basically what this is, you can get started get paid instantly if you build your clientele and you play your cards right. So basically, you will become a mentor with any niche if you have skills in those niche. And basically, you want to click here to say where it says sign up as a mentor, and then it's going to ask you some information. This is a different site. So first name, last name, um, your email, all of this good stuff, and password to sign it to sign you up as an account. And then once you sign up as as a mentor, you'll be able to do as much as you can to kind of help people out. Um, I know it's a lot, difficult to kind of get your clientele started, but it's not as hard as you think it's going to be. It's really as simple as building up your fan base on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, all these different channels, and you'll be able to monetize exactly how you want to. You can charge them $10, $50 an hour, $100 an hour, and think about it. That's just one person. Think about if you have 10 different people. That's already 2 grand a month in your pocket. It just depends on how hard you work as pumping out and you have good content as a mentor. No one wants to be scammed or tell incorrect information. So just go ahead and sign up with this account, and I promise you, you won't regret it. But other than that, have a great day, money makers. Bye now.